Welcome to the ice road expedition. I am going to Canada in a couple weeks to go and ride ice roads, and I am taking this little truck with me. So now what I'm gonna do is start the tires so I can go ride on some ice roads. Anyways, time to start my tires. I have never done this before, so let's see how this goes. Starts. Go. Okay, okay. Rear tire done. Let's go to Canada. Normally it's easy to move it, but I have all these stuff over here. Look at this. Pretty much done. Hell yeah. Go ride on some ice roads. Okay, the bike's ready. Let's do this. Bye, Mr. Noodle. Okay, this is excellent. I am going to northern Alberta to ride ice roads on my motorcycle, which is in the back of my truck. So I have been dreaming about this trip for a really long time. I meant to ride in the Arctic last February, but I ended up going to Mexico, which was a lot of fun. This time I'm hauling my motorcycle, which is in the back, to Canada. I met some Canadians ride Nord Moto online, and they're organizing ice road expedition. I ended up buying this little truck. It's a 23-year-old truck with 189,000 miles on. Hopefully it will get me to northern Alberta. I'm in Columbia Gorge right now. It's raining, it's pretty. I hope to get to Idaho. I think it's lunch 30. Late lunch. I have a secret spot in Eastern Oregon for a phenomenal lunch. Slice of an Americana. I really can't resist this place. I'm not a big fan of fast food, but this is one of those non-chain fast food restaurants, delicious and awful at the same time. And it's a slice of Americana, and you have to stop here to have it. Old Man, Oregon, high desert country. I see it. This is excellent. Well, I forgot I'm driving a stick shift. Okay, let's go have some lunch. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Holy shit, that was delicious. Okay, let's go get gas. Head to Idaho. Got the gas. We have a new law in Oregon. I can pump my own gas. It's very exciting, but I hate doing it. Wallet, check. Passport, check. Let's do it. So this little truck has 190,000 miles on, and I just gotta check engine light on. I'm gonna stop at the AutoZone and get a read of this car. I can check the code and let's keep going. so I went to the AutoZone, got my check engine light checked, and it's a catalytic converter problem. And it's pitch black. It's kind of early, it's not even 7 p.m. yet. Premium roast, okay. So a bit of an update. The forecast was predicting at least 3 inches of snow. Winter wonderland. All right, let's hit the road. I got a day and a few hours left. Winter wonderland. Well, it looks like I forgot my brushy thingy to brush off the snow. Guess I'm doing it by hand. Look at this. I usually don't eat breakfast, but I got some snacks for later from the hotel because, you know, it's free. Off we go, 14 hours to drive, okay. Got more coffee, I don't think I need it, but it will keep me warm. Okay, let's do this. Hell yeah. US Canada. Welcome to Canada. Very exciting. Welcome, British Columbia. Take some lunch. Yeah, my dumbass grabbed the drone while it was still essentially crashing. Don't do that. Let it crash. You know how difficult it is to band-aid your 4 digits with one hand while it's bleeding? Blood f***ing everywhere. I just had to stop the bleeding for now. It's not pretty, but it's stopping the bleeding. So now I can go about my life, have lunch. Maybe on my next stop I can undo this and maybe do a proper job. I think I stopped the bleeding. I think so. But I will need to do a better job once I have a place to actually wash my hand. Well, good morning. Almost there. 5 more hours to go. It's a frosty morning. 0 Fahrenheit. Let's see this little truck starts. Nice! Bit of a struggle, but it started. Another day, another morning. Let's go to McMurray. Okay, so I made it. I made it to Fort McMurray. The plan right now is to go offload the bike, prep it for tomorrow, and ice road expedition starts tomorrow, so I will see you tomorrow. Okay, it's happening. and we woke up to some pretty cold temperatures. Off we go. Another day. We're going to get our bikes from the shop. So here I am. I left Fort McMurray half an hour ago or so, and now I am heading home. I'm heading towards Oregon, but I have so many hours to drive that I decided to leave today and drive for at least a few hours. I did not expect a snowstorm. Look at this. Where is the fucking road? Okie doke. This is I don't know what day this is, but I am heading home. I started driving yesterday night. It was pretty atrocious. Snowstorm. I really could not see the road at all. I didn't know where the lanes were. It was pitch black. I have candles for headlights. I am heading home. It's -12 Fahrenheit. It's a little bit chilly. Let's do this. Look at these mountains. Holy shit. National Park turned out to be a real gem, and it looks epic. Look at this. Damn, it got very wintry, very wintry. Gates open. Off we go. I think this will take me to Idaho, the border crossing in Idaho. This is my life. I'm about 5 kilometers from the US border. I'm gonna cross, have a good sleep, and then tomorrow I'm just heading home, making miles. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.